The CorFit system lumbosacral back support helps relieve lower back pain and discomfort by creating intra-abdominal pressure. The CorFit LS support stabilizes the spine, promotes proper posture, and serves as a reminder to use proper lifting techniques by limiting the motion of muscles and ligaments. The flexible internal stays help increase support and stability, while the soft elastic core edge finish offers added comfort and flexibility. The soft material wicks away moisture, keeping the body cool and comfortable. The easy closure assists and the adjustable elastic pulls provide additional leverage while securing the support and is ideal for users with arthritis or weakened muscles. The CorFit LS support provides a secure fit with minimal effort. Unlike most back supports, our patented proportional sizing system creates not only added fabric length, but added fabric height, accommodating people of all sizes. To secure the support, first loosen the 2 elastic side pull straps. Then position the support across your back with the bottom edge of the support over your tailbone. Insert your hands into the closure assists and close the support, making sure there is a generous overlap. Grasp the side pulls and stretch them out and down to provide maximum inward and upward lift. Lastly, fasten the side pull straps to the front panel of the support. The CorFit system lumbosacral back support contours to the natural curves of the waist and hips, properly fitting everyone while providing comfort, compression, flexibility, and stability.